Top 5 Best Crypto Exchanges in the World for 2022. Did you know that your success or failure in the cryptocurrency world can depend on something as simple as the exchange platform you decide to trade with? Some exchanges hold your hand as you go on your crypto journey, while others are fraudulent, seeking to make money off your hard work. And so, which is which? Well, stick around to find out the top 5 best crypto exchanges for 2022. Before we dive into this video on the top 5 best crypto exchanges in the world for 2022, please make sure to like and subscribe. This way you can find the best information to keep your finances in perfect shape. Also, check the links in the description to find out more about these exchanges. Number 5. Gemini. The first association many laypeople have with Gemini is astrology. According to the zodiac calendar, Gemini is the sign of the twins. Well, there's a particular reason why the word Gemini was selected to be the name of one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. This is because the platform was founded by none other than the Winklevoss twins, who you might remember from the early days of Facebook. Ever since Mark Zuckerberg allegedly stole their idea for a social network, the twins, worth $1.4 billion each, have kept busy. Having been launched in 2015, Gemini is the 9th largest crypto exchange globally. It has a website and a mobile app that allows users to buy, sell, trade, and securely store over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a proprietary currency known as Gemini Dollars. Even though it might not be in the top 5 crypto exchanges by volume, it still earns a place on this list due to the big names behind it and its outstanding track record. Number 4. FTX. FTX is another cryptocurrency trading platform that burst into the scene relatively recently. Despite the vast competition the platform has faced ever since it debuted, it has managed to stay relevant. Today, it is the 3rd largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by volume. The company has $1.3 billion of funding behind it and uses this money to target young people aggressively. Most notably, they became named sponsors for TSM, one of the most prominent sports organizations in the world. From the results, it is clear that this investment strategy is working. FTX is here to stay. FTX, like many of the other cryptocurrency exchange platforms in this video, have their proprietary cryptocurrency known as FTX tokens. This is in addition to all other recognized crypto coins. For some traders, especially those who heavily use the FTX trading platform, using FTX tokens is a smart decision since it allows you to trade between different cryptocurrencies at reduced rates. Plus, it's secure. Number 3. Crypto.com. Look, let's face it, there's no way a cryptocurrency exchange with the name Crypto.com is ever going to be irrelevant. With a domain name that's significant, Crypto.com is sure to attract a whole lot of traffic, both intentionally and accidentally. It is the 4th largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. With 10 million users in over 90 countries and big sponsorships, with sports leagues and famous actors, Crypto.com is here to stay. As a platform itself, Crypto.com is pretty simple. Through their website and mobile app, users can buy, sell, and store about 150 different crypto tokens. Having been founded in 2016, the rate at which Crypto.com has risen to prominence should speak to its usefulness. It's worth checking out. We hope you've been listening attentively so far. Well, hold on as we reveal the top 2 crypto exchanges in the world for the 2022 fiscal year. Number 2. Binance. Binance is the absolute largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by volume. With a trading volume of $31 billion, it is worth more than the other 9 in the top 10 combined. You may wonder why we didn't give it the number 1 position. Well, that's because, due to Binance's large size, it tends to attract a lot of regulator attention, which can be disruptive to traders. Regulators in general look out for traders, and so their actions are in the best interest of the public. If you're someone who values speed over complete security, then Binance might not be for you. On the other hand, if you value security, stability, usability, and access, Binance should be your number 1 choice. Binance also offers lower fees than usual. Number 1. Coinbase. Although it is only the second largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by volume, Coinbase is our pick for the best crypto exchange to trade within 2022. We like it because it has a very user-friendly interface. Even your grandmother could use it. Coinbase is also remarkably secure. Most cash is stored in Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC)-insured bank accounts. This is important as it prevents the accounts from being hacked into. Coinbase also comes with a Pro version, which offers even more awesome features than the base version. One of the best features of Coinbase Pro is the live graph, which shows you how much money you're making in real time. Pretty nifty, huh? Coming to the end of this video, we hope you've learned much about the top 5 best crypto exchanges in the world for 2022. The right crypto exchange will keep your money safe and have reasonable rates, ensuring that you keep the lion's share of profits. Also, if you have any issues, these exchanges will be quick to help you resolve them. In any case, to learn more, please check out our other videos on the top 5 best trading platforms and how to buy and invest in shares outside the US. These will make sure you remain financially literate and always know how to manage your money to attain maximum profit. Well, that's all for today. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. This way, you will easily find the absolute best financial knowledge. Until next time, have a great day. Catch you later.